Jose just texted, nigga.
Tell him to pull up.
Pull up.
Y'all ever got that one friend that says they're gonna go to plans but never answers?
Yeah, Angel. I mean, not Angel, Jose.
Can y'all see this? See who that is?
Your call has been forwarded to
You see what I'm
voicemail.
saying, bro?
The person you're trying.
And last night he texted me at like 12 saying, be there at 10. Bro, it's 10:30 and he not even awake yet.
Cause they're not here yet. We've just been waiting. Well, no, it's not. I feel like it's different.
Bronny just got paid $7.9 million. I don't know how I feel about it, but
I'll leave that.
I mean, it is what it is. I got banned on Snapchat for some guidelines that I guess I broke, but I don't know what I did. So I've only been on Instagram, and dude, my screen time has jumped from like 6 hours a day to like 3. Yeah, so I just been an Instagram warrior this past week since Monday. But you know, it's whatever. At least I'm more active on Instagram. Y'all need to go follow. And I think at like 1:30 I'm gonna go get a haircut. I think it's at 1:30. I'll be boy Dre. I think I'm gonna vlog that too if my camera's charged by then. The cut. Bro, look how dirty my right one is compared to the left. Like, that don't make no sense, bro. I guess it does make sense, but like, damn. These used to be like bright. I'm wondering if I can. Yeah!
Prime? Okay, I swear. I put the song on. It looks so sad because it's walking away.
So I'm parking job.
That's what he told me.
I'm on the line.
Oh.
I have a backup camera and everything. I still parked on the line and
You look like actual.
his rubber.
Look like actual ball.
Y'all are about to see me absolutely devour this. So I'm gonna speed it up.
I'm trying to see how it's working.
I got one video out.
Oh yeah! How much you pay for that one?
600?
Yeah, that's what I paid for the. Which one do I got? The Canon T6. So it's kind of old, but you know it works good. Yes, sir. We're going to take it on the side.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So what you got going today?
I got work.
Hey, don't stop, man.
I got tomorrow off.
I was just about to ask you that too. As long as you got tomorrow off, we good, bro. That's what I said. Look, so I took tomorrow off because it's too late now. Look. So now with the YouTube thing, what you doing with that?
It's been vlogs right now.
Okay. Yeah. Just kind of try to start putting some content out there.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Right now, man, that's the way. Like that's the. Especially, I mean, you know, if you get the right content out, and people start paying attention to what you got going on. Yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. That's what you need right there. So then, how long have you got that camera right there?
I've had that for like a year. I just never recorded.
Oh, okay.
I was too scared to, but then I was just like, you know, it's whatever.
Like, come on, man. You feel me? Like, look, I ain't in school no more, so hey, we're gonna. Yeah, I got this. I got a dynamite. My girl, she was like, Dre, I don't like dynamite. I don't want you to pop that. I'm like, I bought it already.
So, we have, I think, what is about, I want to say $90, maybe $80, because there's a lot of deals, because it's like 4th of July day, but that's how many fireworks I got. Why is it not focusing? There we go. I'm going to wait to record anything till later tonight, because I'm waiting for my friends to get off, but this is my my fit today. Got on this Harley Davidson tee right here. The back design, Nevada. Got on these jorts and then just Vans. Kind of just throwing that red with the fit, but this is what we're rocking with. If y'all can see me or hear me, dude, it's so foggy out here. It's crazy. Like my eyes hurt.
You should like it. It burns. Like really hard, bro. That's hard. I've never. That's such a good idea. I should do that right now. Alright. Running away though. I'm probably gonna get behind Tyler's car. Bro. Probably behind. Who lives over there? Bro? I'm gonna get behind their car. I'm hiding behind that car. Right,
I'm hiding up on the freeway, bro.
that's all you, bro.
Bro, they're not that loud, bro.
They are bad, bro.
Kalal has 6 artillery shells. Watch the footage back.
Okay, good.